Have you ever wondered why Allah chose Friday out of all the 7 days to be the best day of the week? Why did the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, call it the greatest of days? This day carries stories from the beginning of mankind, and it carries promises that will last until the end of time. It was on a Friday that Adam, peace be upon him, was created. It was on a Friday that he entered paradise, and it was on a Friday that he was sent down to this earth. And the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, told us that the final hour, the day of judgment, will not come except on a Friday. So when you wake up on Jumu'ah, remember, this is not just the end of your working week. It is a reminder of where we came from, where we are going, and the day when everything will end. Allah even revealed one of the most powerful verses of the Quran on a Friday. This day I have perfected your religion for you, completed my favor upon you, and chosen Islam as your religion. Quran 5:3. Think about that for a moment. The deen was perfected, not on any other day, but on Jumu'ah. And there is more. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, told us that Friday holds a hidden treasure, a golden hour when Allah accepts every sincere prayer. He said, "On this day, there is a time when no Muslim stands and prays, asking Allah for something, except that Allah will grant it to him." And he showed with his hands how short this moment is. Ibn al-Qayyim, may Allah have mercy on him, explained that this golden hour is most likely found in the last part of the day, after Asr until Maghrib. Imagine, a few minutes of sincere prayer could change the course of your life if you don't let it slip away. This is why our Prophet treated Friday with so much respect. He would begin by taking a bath, wearing his cleanest clothes, applying perfume, and preparing himself with dignity. He encouraged the recitation of Surah Al-Kahf, and he reminded us to send abundant blessings upon him, because blessings on Fridays are multiplied. When the time for the khutbah arrived, the Prophet would go early to the masjid, sit close to the imam, and listen with full attention. He warned us not to talk, not even to whisper, not even to say to someone else, "Keep quiet." He said, "Whoever says to his friend while the imam is delivering the khutbah, 'Be quiet,' has also committed an error." Even silence in that moment is an act of worship. And look at his mercy. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, gave us glad tidings of forgiveness connected to Friday. He said, "If a man takes a bath on Friday, cleans himself as much as he can, oils his hair, applies perfume, goes to the mosque without forcing his way between two people, prays as much as is written for him, and remains silent when the imam speaks, his sins between that Friday and the next Friday will be forgiven." A weekly opportunity, a chance to wipe away the mistakes of 7 long days, a chance to reset and start again. My brothers and sisters, how many of us take this gift lightly? How many of us let the golden hour slip away? How many of us rush into the khutbah late, distracted and unprepared? Friday is a reminder from Allah, week after week, that we still have time to turn back to Him. This is why Friday is not just about individual worship. It is about community. When Muslims gather in the masjid, shoulder to shoulder, leaving behind their jobs and distractions, they show the world the strength of the Ummah. Imagine if every Muslim man, every single week, gathered for Jumu'ah with sincerity. The unity, the brotherhood, the strength of our deen would shine like never before. And here's a question for you. How do you want your next Friday to look? Will it be just another day in your calendar? Or will you treat it like the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, did as the greatest day, a gift from Allah, a chance for forgiveness and blessings? If you've made it this far into the video, I want you to pause for a second and make an intention in your heart. From next Friday, I will honor this day. And if these reminders touch your heart, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video so that together we can spread knowledge and strengthen our Ummah. Every Friday is a new door opened by Allah, a door to mercy, A door to forgiveness, a door to unity. Don't let it close without stepping inside. And Allah knows best.